Blue Ternate Sugar Cookies. Fun and colorful cookies for any occasion. Ingredients: dried blue ternate flowers 10 to 15 flowers, hot water 1/2 cup, flour 2½ cups, baking powder 1 tsp, salt 1/2 tsp, butter 1 cup, softened, sugar 1 cup, egg 1, vanilla extract 1 tsp. Instructions: steep the dried flowers in hot water until the water turns blue, then strain and let it cool. Preheat the oven to 350 F175C. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, beat the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the egg, vanilla extract, and blue ternate tea, mixing well. Gradually add the dry ingredients, mixing until combined. Roll out the dough on a floured surface and cut into shapes. Place the cookies on a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until lightly golden. Let the cookies cool before decorating if desired.